Hey guys, it's your girl Dasanaki back for another video. This is my first, so let's get right into it. This going off with the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I'm gonna take a good amount of that and rub it in all over my face, especially the areas where I have a lot of pores or maybe greasy, or in this time of year a little bit more dry. Definitely want to make sure I'm hydrating the skin and getting all the way down to the neck area. Next, we're gonna go into some more skin full coverage, going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade Fair Light Neutral because I've not been tanning since summer, and honestly I didn't even use my self-care that much this year, so just putting that all over my face. Just starting off, giving myself a base for this look today, going in with a Morphe M6 brush, a nice wide dense brush to blend all that in. So really just using my basic foundation to start off this look, because you want the skin to be looking very fresh and very clean and very youthful and hydrated. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more foundation into some areas, and also mixing it in with my concealer in some spots as well. I'm using the Essence Camouflage Plus Matte Concealer, and I believe this is in the shade Light Rose. So just kind of working that in and blending that in to work on that flawless coverage overall. Then I'm going to put some Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion on the lids to really hold this look down. Then going in with my Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder for the under eyes, kind of brighten up certain areas, cover up any redness that I might have. I like to use both colors in this palette. Next, going in with e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream to really set my brows in to that perfect doll look. I normally have a slit in my one eyebrow that I just started doing, and so I was going in and filling in that slit because Barbie has full brows. So here we are back, and the brows are filled. Both brows completely filled. I don't know why the one looks darker right now, but it's not. Now we're going in with the CT London. This is a really pretty shimmery blush in the shade Pinch Me. Putting that on the cheeks. Trying to give myself really rosy cheeks as Barbie has, as well as the nose. But we're not ready for the eyes just yet. Still going in with more Morphe brushes. We need to add some bronzer. Need to give Barbie just a little bit of contour to give myself a little bit more of that skinny doll nose. Kind of poke out the cheekbones and the chin. Going in with the Rimmel London natural bronzer that I always love to use in the shade Sunlight. Sticking with that dewy glow, I'm going in with the Ofra Cosmetics Ofra Talia Mar highlighter in the shade Covent Garden. And just kind of a lot of the areas that I would normally do highlighter, but really making sure that I'm over accentuating a lot of places. Finally got those brows done. I can't believe that I got that filled in so nicely. I honestly had to go back through and do a little bit more to my brows off camera. But highlighting a lot of areas. You want making sure that you have that dewy look, but also giving yourself kind of a plastic, a little bit more of a shiny effect that you normally maybe wouldn't do with your makeup look. Then I'm going to go in using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker eyeshadow palette. Lots of beautiful options here, but of course we're going for that bright, hot Barbie pink. Going to take another Morphe brush, a little bit of a fluffy brush in the shade Bubblegum. I'm just going to pack that into the crease and kind of work it a little bit up, but not too close to the brow, because we want to have that distinct separation between the brow and the lid. Barbie does not blend to the gods. Sometimes that's me, but that's not us today. Alright, now we got the second eye done. We're going to add a little bit more color. So I'm going to add a little bit more of that eyeshadow primer to kind of help with cutting my crease in a way, but I'm going to blend the colors anyways. I'm going to go with a smaller Morphe brush to add a little bit of this Good Morning shade that's right next to Bubblegum. It's a light pink. Almost looks white on the lids. but it is a very light pink, and just packing that color in, not going too far, because again, we want those very distinct lines. Then going in with my NYX white eyeliner that I love to use, the retractable white eyeliner. I was actually running out of it at this point almost. But going in with the bottom waterline, making the eyes look bigger, and adding a little bit more of the doll eye effect. Then I decided to go in with this Araceli Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner in the shade Coffee. I thought about using black, but I wanted to try this one first to see if I liked that better. So it still stood out for the under, going below the waterline so that I'm not touching that white. Also did a little bit on my upper eyeliner as well. Next, going in with some mascara. I just chose this CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. Just making sure that you're coating a lot of different layers and really working into all of those lashes is what you're doing. It doesn't really matter what mascara that you're using, but anything that you can really build up your lashes. A little up close look of the eyes so far. But before we get into some fake lashes, I'm going in with some lipstick. I went in with Mellow Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Candy Floss. It almost matches that bubblegum eyeshadow perfectly. So that nice hot pink, that signature Barbie pink look. Then I set it all with NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Making sure I'm getting it all over. Giving it some dry time there. Also waiting on my lash glue to dry. Using the Benefit Real False Lashes Invisible Lash Glue on a pair of Kiss limited edition lashes, part of their Live Love Lash collection. This is in Honey. I believe this might have also been part of Kiss's Pride collection. And then I went ahead and used this little product that I got from Marshall's from the Cala line to apply my lashes. And now I've got both lashes on, just like magic. And here is the finished look. I'll add some pictures here at the end of up close of the pictures I took. But I'm pretty happy with the look. Definitely turned some heads when I went out that night, as you could tell. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out my other Halloween makeup tutorials on my channel.